Alright, what's going on, guys? So I have a really quick short video, but it's a project that I'm already into. I had this little bird bath that I got at Home Goods last season for $20 in this spot over here. I just put it there. It was crooked. I didn't put a proper base down, but I recently purchased this concrete planter at Home Goods, the same Home Goods. And I thought, well, I'm in the project already. Maybe somebody would want to see how I put my containers in, how I create a base for it to keep them level, because my ground, the contour of my landscape, it slopes downward. Forgive the dirty hands. I've been in the garden without gloves planting all day. So it slopes downward. So everything kind of leans. So if I don't install proper bases, things are crooked, like that bird bath over there, which doesn't have a proper base, and you can see how it's sloped to the right. There's my biotone. I've been planting in that area. Video coming soon. So I wanted to show you guys how I put in a base to properly level a container. I've already got the infrastructure to hook it up to my drip system so I don't have to worry about watering it. I have a whole ton of these pavers that I inherited with the house. I've got round ones, I've got bricks of different colors under the patio by my shed. So I'm going to be using one of those. Also, I've got little fine pea gravel. And you want to make sure that you're using a really fine pea gravel, not the really big stuff. So let me set the camera up, show you guys what I'm going to be doing. I kind of pre-measured my hole there. I scooched the dirt and the mulch out of the way, started to shape it to the form for the paver to sit in. So what I'm going to do is finish moving the dirt, get it dug deep enough so that at the end the planter is level with soil level. So I'm going to take into account the thickness of my paver here. That is about 3 or 4 inches thick. Oh, my hands are dirty. That's a good thick 3 or 4 inches, I'd say. I'm going to do about a 3-inch layer of my pea gravel. So 3 inches of pea gravel compacted, then 4-inch thick concrete. So 3 plus 4 is 7, so that's about 7 inches down. And then the base of my planter is about 2 inches. So I've got 9 inches to deal with to make sure that I'm at soil level. So I'm going to dig down about 8 inches and start the process. Whoops. So as you can see, we're right about at soil level, just a little bit below. And again, that little lip will account for the thickness of the base of the concrete. Now, why that's important to me is because I don't like to see the base of my concrete. I like to look at my pieces in the garden and it feels like it's tucked in. I don't want it to stick out. I want either plants to be at the base of it, I want dirt or soil at the base of it, or mulch, to make it look like it's incorporated into the landscape idea. So now I'm going to attempt to lift this bad boy up and get it on top of the base that we've created. Here we go. Also, you want to make sure that you take into account where you want this to face in the end. Whew, probably got a butt shot. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lovely. So that's the finished product, and I think it looks amazing. So you can see what I was talking about it being tucked into the flower bed. It's not at the front, it's at the corner of the house. There's that daylily at the front, there's the clematis at the side, there's a euphorbia and a foxglove at the side there. And if I bring you in closer here, if we look at the base, you can see that I kind of scattered soil and mulch at the base of it to make it look like, whoops, to make it look like, you know, it's been there for quite some time. So stay tuned for updates on this container. You might be wondering about the drip tubing at the bottom. What I did was I took a piece of gravel and I just stuck one piece of gravel in between the base of the concrete and our paver to kind of lift it up ever so slightly so that that drip tube isn't pinched. And if we look at it from this side, it's totally leveled, completely leveled. So I didn't hook it into the drip system yet because I don't want to waste water. But we will be relocating that piece of concrete somewhere else, and this will live here year-round. So thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying these quick Tuesday tips, and I will see you guys in the next video. And here's just a sneak peek at what's going to be going inside of that container.